Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be recommending what perfume you should wear based on your Myers-Briggs type. I got inspired to make this video because of a video I saw from Kathleen Lights. She made this video on zodiac signs and perfume. So me being me and the Myers-Briggs junkie that I am, I decided there was an opportunity to make it for Myers-Briggs types. If you don't know what your Myers-Briggs type is, if this is all totally new to you, I encourage you guys to take a quiz online. It's super fun and you can really learn a lot about yourself. I've also written some articles on Myers-Briggs types because I'm totally fascinated with the subject matter. So be sure to check those out. I'll have them linked down below, as well as all of these perfumes in case you want to purchase one. This video is just for fun and I hope you guys will enjoy it and consider subscribing. I make tons of videos on a wide range of subjects, from vlogs about my job to product reviews, hauls, so all sorts of things we have here on this channel. A little something for everyone. And let's just go ahead and jump right in. So first up, we have the artsy but reserved, the logical yet emotional, the refined yet colorful INFJ. The perfect fragrance for the INFJ is Chanel Chance. Ironically, INFJs don't like to leave much up to chance. They are very much someone that plans and focuses on the future almost obsessively. And this perfume really embodies that. It embodies this sort of ambiguous scent. Chanel Chance is very musky, yet there's a little bit of vanilla and chamomile and lavender, all of these contrasting scents that you really don't think would go together, but they do. INFJs also have very refined taste thanks to their inferior extroverted sensing, so they have a tendency to sort of indulge in things, and so they would like to own something so sophisticated and rich and exciting as a product by Chanel, and they wouldn't hesitate to spend this amount of money on a perfume if they know it's of high quality. I happen to be an INFJ, and this is my favorite perfume. It smells so good. ENFJs definitely embody the Viktor and Rolf Flower Bomb persona. This perfume is very intense, it's very attention-seeking. Whenever someone wears this perfume, you kind of whip your head around and wonder what it is, and you give the person a compliment on the perfume. And ENFJs love that. They love to be the center of attention. They love whenever random strangers come up to them and strike a conversation with them. They love hosting big events. They're very warm and outgoing individuals, and they're not afraid to be original. This scent is definitely not a scent for everyone. It's a little too intense for my liking. It could also smell a little bit too grandmotherly on some people, but ENFJs know how to pull that off with their subtle amount of charm, and this scent is definitely perfect for them. The classic and tradition-focused ISTJ should reach for a scent from Bath & Body Works. Something clean like Perfect Peony would be perfect for them. ISTJs are very bound to tradition, so chances are they're still wearing the same kind of perfume they wore in the 8th grade. They just like what's comfortable and familiar to them. ISTJs are also clean and simplistic individuals, so they would reach for a clean and simple scent like this one. They're also very practical and hardworking. Chances are they have saved a lot of their money and they don't really want to spend too much money on something frivolous like perfume, so they're probably going to pick this up at a Bath & Body Works after Christmas sale. And they're probably going to use a 20% off coupon too. The sweet and artsy ISFP should reach for the Victoria's Secret Dream Blush. ISFPs do have a tendency to get a little overwhelmed by too much attention, but they're also very artsy and thoughtful individuals. They're very talented in many ways, and I think this perfume embodies that. It can be often overlooked for something more glamorous or more expensive, but this perfume really does the job. It's sweet and musky. It has a very mature and sort of thoughtful scent to it, and I think that really embodies everything that an ISFP is all about. ISFJs like something that's high quality yet clean and traditional, so they would reach for something like Daisy Dream by Marc Jacobs. They like this fun bottle. Chances are they aren't wearing perfume every day, but when they want to put it on, they want something that's high quality and will last a long time. They like a very clean and simple scent, which Daisy Dream definitely delivers on both of those. Unlike an ENFJ, ISFJs do not want to be the center of attention, so they just want to dab a little on their wrist and their neck and kind of go largely unnoticed. ENFPs are such a tease, and that's why they tend to reach for Victoria's Secret glam teas, because ENFPs always have to do it bigger and better. These individuals are very fun, quirky, artistic. You really want an ENFP in your friend group. However, the ENFP probably spent all their money on plane tickets to Aruba in Paris, and they don't have a really big perfume budget, so they want to pick this up on discount. This perfume is very unexpected. It's musky, it's bold, but it's also kind of sweet. And it's very original, which is something that would attract an ENFP. They really don't want to be like everyone else. ENTJs should definitely wear the Fame by Lady Gaga. ENTJs make up a large percentage of business leaders, politicians, celebrities, actresses, musicians. ENTJs love the limelight. They know how to get it done. They really want to be the people who are kind of ruling the world. So the Fame is a very strong and bold fragrance. It can be a little overwhelming to some people, but the ENTJ knows how to ramp up their charm, and they really know how to wear this look right. ESFJs are very girly and fun people to be around. They like something traditional. They like to fit in, but they also like something that's high quality, and they are willing to spend a lot on their appearance. So they would definitely pick up something trendy like Gucci Bloom. This scent is sweet. This scent is floral yet musky, and it's very on point for really any season. ESFPs are sweet and playful and fun, just like this perfume from Ariana Grande, Sweet Like Candy, this little puffer. It's a very sweet, fun perfume, middle of the road price point, which I think is what an ESFP would spend on perfume. It's not one of their top priorities, but they're not necessarily the type to go to Bath & Body Works or really to go to the extra mile and try and save a lot of money. So they probably would see this puffer out and they'd be like, oh my gosh, I just have to have it. INFPs are dreamy, poetic, and a lot of them are artists, so they definitely would go well with Wonderstruck by Taylor Swift. It's a very dreamy, dark, and kind of elegant fragrance, and it definitely vibes well with the INFP. ESTJs want something clean and high quality like Dolce & Gabbana's Light Blue. This scent is very clean and refreshing, yet it has a little punch to it. ESTJs are pretty orderly, but sometimes when they slip into their third function of extroverted intuition, they can kind of turn things around and want to be a little more spontaneous. INTPs are not really perfume types. They can't really be bothered by it because they're probably either in their room playing video games or reading, so we still love INTPs, but they're just not perfume people. INTJs are also not really perfume people either. However, like the INFJ, INTJs are a little bit sensory indulgent. And so they probably are drawn to Replica's Whispers in the Library because that kind of engages their mind. INTJs love reading and they kind of want something that's different. And once they smell how intense this perfume is, they're going to be kind of overcome by it, just want to have it in their collection just to say that they have it. Someone ironically gifted the ISTP the Just Peachy scent from Victoria's Secret. Either that or they found it at a yard sale for like $2.99. ISTPs are pretty mechanical people. They like to work with their hands. Even women ISTPs aren't super girly, so they have a tendency as well not to really gravitate towards perfume. ESTPs want something different, darker, edgy, something slightly masculine, like this Blackberry and Lily perfume by the Seven Virtues. It's a very different and bold perfume. As ESTPs get older, they may become more into perfume. And they'll want something different, so they won't mind spending a little bit extra money on this. Finally, we have ENTPs who are innovators. Oftentimes they are artists as well. They're very original people, and that's why Vera Wang Rock Princess would be perfect for ENTPs. It's a masculine, subtle scent, but it's also kind of a fun scent, and it has a very unique bottle, which is something that's very appealing to the ENTP. Because like the ENFP, ENTPs also like to stand out from the crowd. This wraps up my video on which perfume should you wear for your Myers-Briggs type. Let me know what you think of my analysis. Do you agree with me? What's your type? I love talking about the types, so please feel free to comment on this video, share it with your friends, and please check out my other articles. I hope to see you back on this channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!